Sculptra is a biostimulatory filler that takes some time, but ultimately what it does is it pulls your face back. So it's like a very natural facial lifting. So like I said, it's a biostimulatory filler. So we inject it. You look full the first day, but then over the next couple days, you start to go, oh, I kind of look the way I used to 3 days ago. But then you wait. And then every time you look in the mirror after about a month, you're like, ooh, I look better. Oh, I look better again. So it takes about 3 months total to see the final results of Sculptra, and people are happy for over 25 months with it. So for me in particular, I have got some filler in here, but I haven't done it in almost 2 years, and I started doing Sculptra on myself. And my filler has lasted longer, my skin looks great, so I attribute it to the Sculptra. So we're gonna go ahead and do some Sculptra on our patient. I'm gonna have you ice your temple one more time.
Okay.
There's just some specific places that we put it. We're gonna inject first into the temple, 1, 2, 3, la 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 la. Good job. Okay, we're gonna inject some here, because people always forget about temples. Not us, but patients. Temples.
They don't know.
Yeah. Lots of times I'll go down the cheek. Her cheek is great, so I'm not gonna go there, but I'm gonna have you ice right here. Yep, I'm gonna go in front of her ear. Again, doing the periphery to help pull her face back. And then we're gonna do some, turn a little away from me. Yep, just like that. Ready, 1, 2, 3, ooh la la, ooh la la. All right, you got it right there, right there, right there. Okay, you doing okay? Okay, I'm gonna have you ice right here now. And this whole area, I'll show you on me, this whole area here, where a lot of times people will get crepey, is a big black hole for regular filler. But it's a perfect place to put Sculptra. So if you lay a mattress of Sculptra, you will then lay some of your own natural collagen right around it. So it helps tighten this area if you have some crepey skin there. It's always good to lift too with some filler or Sculptra up in the cheek, but sometimes it's just not enough and you want to fill in this area, but you can't really do it with regular fillers. But Sculptra is a yes. So we're gonna turn away from me again. So we're just gonna kind of do a 1, 2, 3, la la la, here we are. We're gonna just do a kind of just some threads of Sculptra around here. You all right? All right, so we're out. Excellent. So Sculptra has kind of gotten a bad rap a few years ago because the mixture of Sculptra was not as dilute as it is now, and people were getting little lumps and bumps. But now there's a new way to mix it, and that doesn't happen. So, I mean, it can still happen, but usually not. And also the way we inject it is a little bit different nowadays too. So again, you just have to have a provider that knows what they're doing and that is mixing it the way that helps decrease the risk of granulomas. So the other areas that we could put some Sculptra are up here and down here. It's really a great product. You can actually put it in the neck, in the chest, you can put it in the arms, you can make collagen anywhere.